So the other week, Chasm616 had a great request, the Chinese equivalent of a simple to whip up dish like pasta aiolio. Now there'd be dozens of contenders here, but you can't go wrong with Huaiyang-style scallion oil noodles. So, to get started with scallion oil noodles, you need scallion oil. Awesome ingredient, great thing to just have lying around your kitchen. Dead simple to make, slice up a quarter of an onion, 10 sprigs of scallions into 2-inch sections, and add in a cup and a half of peanut oil. Up your heat to medium-high, and once it starts to bubble, lower it to medium-low. Let that go for about 10 minutes, and don't be surprised if you accidentally make your apartment smell incredible. 10 minutes in, your onions and scallions should be starting to get crispy and golden brown. Take them out, but don't toss them. We'll be adding a few of these crispy onions to our final dish. Strain the oil, and you got some homemade scallion oil. Now, we're doing a Huaiyang version of this dish that uses dried shrimp. Not all renditions do this step, but the depth they add's just incredible. Take about 16 dried shrimp, mix with 2 tablespoons water and 2 tablespoons liaojiu, aka Shaoxing wine, and toss in a knot of scallion for good measure. Leave that to steam for 10 minutes, cooking at the same time as your scallions are frying for maximum time efficiency. 10 minutes later, take out your shrimp, but reserve that soaking liquid. That's going to form the base of our sauce. Mince up those shrimp, give them a brief fry for a minute or two, and set those aside. For the noodles, we're just using some bog standard Chinese supermarket egg noodles. There's really no need to overthink these noodles. You could use Japanese salmon noodles, or even just angel hair pasta. Add 80 grams of noodles to some well-salted water and boil. Once your noodles are starting to float, add a cup of cool water, and once it starts to get back to a heavy simmer, your noodles should be perfectly cooked. Our sauce is also real easy. Toss in that shrimp soaking liquid from the steam, should be about 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce for color, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it up over medium heat, and once it's boiling, it's done, and we can assemble. Now, we got YouTube thumbnails to make, so we're opting for a bit of a fancy presentation here. Feel free to just mix everything together if you prefer. This amount makes 2 servings, so take about half your noodles, lay on some of your crispy fried onions, your fried dried shrimp topping, and about 3 tablespoons of that sauce around the sides. Now drizzle about 2 tablespoons of that scallion oil all over everything, and garnish with some more scallion to make everything all pretty. This is just like the definition of a great weeknight dish, and something awesome to whip up at a moment's notice. And just like a Sichuan dandan noodle, be sure to mix everything well before you devour.
So Tong is a great addition in the kitchen. Even though if you're not doing this, maybe just toss them in your late night noodles or your salads or whatever. So I hope you give this a try. Check out the Reddit link in the description box for detailed recipe and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos.